I will provide a free online text-to-speech program, the best among other similar programs, and this program has text to be made into a very long voice, which is 3,000 characters. Also supports many languages in the world. In addition, in this program, we can choose male and female voices with various characters. Of the many similar programs that I have searched for, only this application supports long and free voice text. Its use is also simple and easy. I will explain the tutorial on how to use this text-to-speech application to you. First, we change the language according to what you want to use. We choose the language. There are many languages from all over the world in this application. Then write the text you want to use, or you can also copy-paste from the text file you have prepared. Then choose the character you want to use, male or female. You can also choose emotions with a variety of emotion options. After you have finished selecting the voice character and emotion, enter the CAPTCHA code number listed on the right. It must be the same, it cannot be different. Then click Convert to Speech and wait a few seconds. Then press Click to verify. Wait a few moments until verification success. Then press the menu OK below, which has yellow color. Before you download the voice file, press play to listen to the result. I go to the movies every Saturday night with my friends. We usually go to the movies at 8 p.m. After watching the movie, we have dinner together at a food stall, then we go to a nightclub to hang out and meet other friends. After it is quite in accordance with what you wrote, press the Download Voice File menu. And the voice file is now saved on your device and ready to use. Okay, thank you for your attention. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.